This way, as I'm working on a machine, I can send the camera to the other side when I have to go to the other side. Do what I gotta do, and then send it on back over to you. You know? That's how that's done. Nothing fancy. Nothing fancy at all. Cheap and simple. Save my battery here. Cheap and simple. That's one of the things I do not like is how much of this you have to see when there's a machine on the lift. See this material? Painter's drop cloths. Harbor Freight's got them for, I don't know, $17 or something a piece for a 9x12 sheet. I have one left over. So what I'm going to do for this test is hang this up. That's got to be a better background than looking at an assortment of shite, right? I'll hang this up, we'll take a look. I need a hook or two. Isn't that better? My goal, of course, would be another here and one behind you. That's going to increase the lighting due to reflecting off the fabric. Some weights, take the wrinkles out. You got yourself a wall. I could even stick some lighting behind it. So that I would have filtered light illuminating the machine on the lift. Light from behind here, light from behind you, and the light from behind here. Panel here, it also allows me to unveil the next machine. Useful if I want to do a comparison between, let's say, a K100 RS and a K1100 LT. So you can see the subtle differences between the two without interrupting camera angle or what's going on.